I opened up the world's first free restaurant.
MrBeast Burger changed the food industry. As the fast food industry has grown, so has the competition between different chains. In recent years, there has been a new player in the game, MrBeast Burger. Created by YouTuber Jimmy Donaldson, known as MrBeast. MrBeast Burger has quickly become a popular choice for fast food lovers across the United States. However, many have speculated that MrBeast Burger is not just a competitor in the food industry, but a direct threat to McDonald's, the long-standing fast food giant. In this video essay, we will explore how MrBeast Burger has affected McDonald's business and potentially disrupted the fast food industry as a whole. To begin, it is important to understand the origins and goals of MrBeast Burger. The restaurant is not a traditional brick-and-mortar establishment, but rather a virtual kitchen that operates through partnerships with existing restaurants. MrBeast Burger's menu includes burgers, fries, and other classic fast food items, but it also has unique offerings like Beast-style burgers and Chandler Style fries named after MrBeast's friends and collaborators. One of the most significant ways in which MrBeast Burger has disrupted the industry is through its pricing strategy. Unlike traditional fast food restaurants, which have set prices for their items, MrBeast Burger's prices are dynamic and change based on demand. This means that the more popular an item is, the more expensive it becomes. This strategy has been successful for MrBeast Burger, as it creates a sense of urgency for customers to order before prices increase, and also allows for higher profit margins during peak demand periods. However, this pricing strategy has also affected McDonald's business. As one of the largest fast food chains in the world, McDonald's has always had the advantage of economies of scale. This means that because they purchase ingredients in such large quantities, they can offer lower prices than smaller competitors. However, MrBeast Burger's dynamic pricing strategy has disrupted this advantage, as they can adjust prices in real time based on demand. This means that in certain areas, MrBeast Burger may be able to offer lower prices than McDonald's, making it a more attractive option for price-sensitive customers. Another way in which MrBeast Burger has disrupted McDonald's business is through its marketing strategy. As a YouTuber, MrBeast has a massive following on social media platforms with over 63 million subscribers on his YouTube channel alone. He has used his platform to promote MrBeast Burger extensively, with videos showcasing the food and delivery process, as well as collaborations with other YouTubers and celebrities. This has helped to generate a lot of buzz around MrBeast Burger and has likely led to many customers trying the restaurant out of curiosity. On the other hand, McDonald's has traditionally relied on more traditional forms of marketing, such as television and billboard advertisements. While these forms of advertising can still be effective, they may not be as appealing to younger generations who consume most of their media online. This has potentially given MrBeast Burger an advantage in reaching younger, tech-savvy customers who may not have been as likely to visit McDonald's. Another way in which MrBeast Burger has disrupted McDonald's business is through its delivery model. MrBeast Burger operates through partnerships with existing restaurants, such as local pizzerias and other fast food chains. This means that customers can order MrBeast Burger through popular delivery apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash and have it delivered to their doorstep. This delivery model is in contrast to McDonald's, which operates its own delivery service in certain areas but is largely reliant on in-person dining or drive-through orders. This has become especially relevant in recent years as the COVID-19 pandemic has led to increased demand for delivery services. With more people staying at home and avoiding in-person dining, the ability to order fast food through delivery apps has become crucial. MrBeast Burger's partnership model has allowed it to easily integrate with these delivery apps and reach customers who may not have been able to visit a physical location. Furthermore, MrBeast Burger's delivery model has allowed it to operate in areas where it may not have been able to establish a physical restaurant. By partnering with existing restaurants, MrBeast Burger can offer its menu items in a wider range of locations without the need for expensive real estate or equipment. This has potentially disrupted McDonald's business, as it may be more difficult for them to establish partnerships with existing restaurants or adapt the delivery model. While McDonald's does offer delivery in some areas, it may not be as widespread or convenient as MrBeast Burger's delivery options. This could lead to more customers choosing MrBeast Burger for delivery instead of McDonald's. In addition to these factors, there is also the possibility that MrBeast Burger's popularity has led to a shift in consumer preferences. As more people become aware of and try MrBeast Burger, they may start to prefer its menu items over McDonald's. This could lead to a decline in sales for McDonald's as customers switch to MrBeast Burger or other fast food chains that offer similar menu items. While it is difficult to determine the exact impact that MrBeast Burger has had on McDonald's business, it is clear that it has disrupted the industry in several ways. From its dynamic pricing strategy to its delivery model and marketing tactics, MrBeast Burger has presented a new and unique approach to the fast food industry. However, it is important to note that McDonald's is still a massive player in the industry, with a well-established brand and loyal customer base. It is unlikely that MrBeast Burger will completely replace McDonald's or other traditional fast food chains, but it may lead to changes in how these chains operate and compete with each other. One of the most notable ways that MrBeast Burger has challenged McDonald's is through its dynamic pricing strategy. MrBeast Burger offers menu items at different prices depending on the location and the time of day. This means that a customer in one area may be able to get a burger for a lower price than someone in a different area, or someone who orders at a certain time may receive a discount. This pricing strategy has been made possible by the fact that MrBeast Burger operates out of existing restaurants and uses the existing infrastructure, which allows for more flexibility in pricing. This dynamic pricing strategy has the potential to challenge McDonald's traditional pricing model. McDonald's typically offers menu items at a fixed price, regardless of location or time of day. This could lead to customers choosing MrBeast Burger over McDonald's if they are able to get similar menu items at a lower price. Another way that MrBeast Burger has disrupted McDonald's business is through its delivery model. As mentioned earlier, MrBeast Burger operates out of existing restaurants and uses delivery apps to reach customers. This allows it to offer delivery in a wider range of locations than McDonald's may be able to, and also allows it to reach customers who may not have been able to visit a physical location. While McDonald's offer delivery in some areas, it may not be as widespread or convenient as MrBeast Burger's delivery options. This could lead to customers choosing MrBeast Burger for delivery instead of McDonald's, especially if they are already familiar with the brand through social media or online promotions. Another aspect of MrBeast Burger's delivery model that sets it apart from McDonald's is the fact that it has partnered with existing restaurants rather than establishing its own physical locations. This allows it to operate in areas where it may not have been able to establish a physical restaurant, and also allows it to save on the costs associated with building and maintaining a physical location. Finally, MrBeast Burger's marketing tactics have also presented a challenge for McDonald's. MrBeast Burger has leveraged the power of social media to reach a massive audience and generate buzz around its brand. This has included partnerships with popular influencers, social media challenges, and even a limited time offer where customers could get free food by tattooing the MrBeast Burger logo on their body. While McDonald's has also used social media to promote its brand, it may not have the same level of engagement or reach as MrBeast Burger. This could lead to more customers being exposed to MrBeast Burger's brand and potentially choosing it over McDonald's. It is important to note that while MrBeast Burger has disrupted the fast food industry, McDonald's is still a massive player with a well-established brand and loyal customer base. It is unlikely that MrBeast Burger will completely replace McDonald's or other traditional fast food chains, but it may lead to changes in how these chains operate and compete with each other. McDonald's may need to adapt to the changing landscape of the fast food industry and find ways to differentiate itself from competitors like MrBeast Burger in order to maintain its position as a leader in the industry.